Hello friends, myself Dr. K.W. Pawar from Department of Botany, रयत शिक्षण संस्थाज राव बहादुर नारायण राव बोरावके College, Srirampur, District, Ahmednagar. Today we are going to see or we are going to perform the practical of class TY-BSc Botany. There is a subject that is horticulture and floriculture, and that particular subject having the BO 335 and the practical, third practical is there, that is from the BO 349 based on the practical BO 335. Okay, so today the particulars to study the garden tools and implements, the practical based on the horticulture and floriculture paper to study the garden tools and implements. Okay, so here today we going to study the garden tools and implement like the sprayer, then duster, then pruning knife, then micro irrigation system, then there is the sprinkler and the secateur. So these are the essential implement that are used in the particular various practices into the garden. In order to excellence what we call the output from the garden, and one should be careful in performing the particular several operation in time with the experts. There is the again time is important factors when there is the different sorts of the operations in the gardens or what we call the nursery. In day-to-day routine, various cultural operations are carried out in the nurseries and garden. What is that? Suppose there is the training, there is the pruning of the particular different plant. So it required different tools or it required the different sorts of implement. Sometimes the tools are the very simple one, sometimes tools are the again the complex one. Some operation and tools implement for the different particular operation. Some tools that are required for the different operation. We know that in garden or nursery there are the day-to-day many cultural practices or different operations are there. Suppose for instance the watering the plant, there is the requirement of the sprinkler or the drip irrigation system. Suppose there is the cutting of the delicate branches, there is the requirement of the secateurs. Again there are the some particular pesticides or insecticide spraying, there is the requirement of the particular sprayer, or sometime there is the some chemicals that are applying in the form of the dust. That time there is the need of the particular duster like implement. So we can study the particular implements or and tools like the particular sprayer, duster, pruning knife, micro irrigation system, sprinkler and the secateur. What are their functions or what are their uses in the particular garden? Okay. Now we shall see one by one. So friends, the first instrument is that is the sprayer. This one is the sprayer. Good hand pump. Hand pump sprayer is an essential tool even if you don't use conventional pesticide. It always allows you to apply all garden chemicals in precise amount and place them exactly where they are needed. So, the garden sprayer come in variety of sizes and quality. This is particular sprayer having the particular working on the particular electric. Before this, the sprayer that are work on manually. There is the particular handle for here on the particular side. There is the handle to handle for operating. Nowadays, there is the sprayers are available in the they are working on the particular electricity or what we call battery. So, about the working here, to mix the garden chemical, first pour half of the water into the tank. This much is the tank of the particular sprayer, and from this you can pour the amount of water, or here there is the first pour half of the water into tank, add measure amount of chemical concentration, use the remaining water to reach the measuring cup into the tank. Whatever you choose the measuring cup for measure the chemical, then reach that particular cup and then make the volume of the particular sprayer. Then close the particular tap of the sprayer and mix well by inverting the sprayer. Like this, there is the inverting the tank several times, mix the particular chemical. When you are finished spraying, then this particular tank rinse 2 to 3 times with clean water, then spray out the house and nozzles with the final water. Okay. So, here there is the particular sprayer is here. Here there is the nozzle to the particular sprayer, and on the nozzle there is a small cap. So, the uniformity in the spraying of the particular chemical. Here there is the handle of the particular sprayer, and this is again the run automatically when when it is pushed. Okay. So, in the back side of the sprayer there is the particular belt for mounting the particular sprayer. Okay. So, this much about the first instrument, that is the sprayer. Then friends, another one instrument is that is the particular duster. Okay. This one is the particular duster. Here the hand rotary duster in 2 models. One is the shoulder mount. Here there is the mounting. One is the shoulder mount and another one is the belly mount. It is common type of duster being used by the farmer. The duster consists of the particular hopper or fan. Here you can see the inside, here there is the fan or what we call it as the hopper. Then there is the blower. Here you can see the blower of the particular duster. Then rigid and flexible, this one is the blower and this one is the rigid and flexible discharge pipe is there. Then the here inside this there is the reduction box is there, or what we called gearbox, reduction gearbox, and this one is the rotary handle. This one is the particular, you can see here this is rotate. Okay. So, what we called it as the rotary handle. Okay. So, and in the sprayer, in the duster there is the again metering mechanism. So, a chemical in dust or powder form drops from hopper in the discharge pipe having an air stream created by the blower. Okay. Then what are the particular functions for control of the pest and diseases by use of the chemical? in the particular dust form. Inside this there is the use of the chemical in dust form in nursery, vegetable garden, field crops, tea and coffee plantation, greenhouses, glass houses, and sometime this particular duster that is used in the godowns. So this one is the cap of the duster. Okay. Then next instrument is that there is the particular pruning knife. Here you can see in this diagram there is the pruning knife, a small pruning knife with sharp blade. Here you can see the sharp blade and comfortable handle is there. Okay. This particular handle, comfortable, sometime made up from the wooden, and for what purpose? To prevent the slippage is the right tool. Here is right tool for thinning the delicate branches. With the help of this pruning knife, we can thin the delicate branches, removing the particular suckers from the soil, and there is the particular shaping of the rose bushes there. So this pruning knife is used. Then next one is that there is the micro irrigation system. Here you can see the micro irrigation system. Okay. This is the micro irrigation system, and what is that? The micro irrigation system is the defined frequent application of small quantities of water directly above and below the soil surface, usually as discrete drop, continuous drop, or teeny stream through the emitters. Here you can see the emitters placed along the delivery line. This one is the delivery line of the particular micro irrigation system, and this one is the irrigation emitters. Deep irrigation is sometimes called as the trickle irrigation and involves the dripping of water into the soil at very low rate, about 2 to 20 liters. From these emitters there is the 2 to 20 liters per hour from a system small diameter plastic pipe here fitted here with outlet, and this outlet is called as the particular emitters. Okay. Then this particular water is applied close to the plant so that only part of the soil in which the root grow is wetted. Here this is applied on only part. Suppose here there is the plant and here there is the root system is there. So it is applied only part of the plant soil in which the root grow is wetted. So foremost function is that there is the particular wetting of the root by this particular emitters. This is the delivery line. Here you can see through this there is the supply of water is there, and here you can see there is the particular cock for the on and off purposes. Okay. When there is no need of the water, then you can close this particular cock, and when there is the particular requirement of water, then you can on this particular clock, and so that the flow of the water through this particular emitters. Okay. So this is of the particular drip irrigation system. Then there is the particular another one, that is the sprinkler irrigation. Okay. We know that there is the particular sprinkler irrigation. Here you can see there is the tube or delivery pipe, and this is for this support when it is mounted in the gardens or the farms. So this much is the support here is applied here. So here there is the nozzle, and through this pipe there is the water pushes or and from this nozzle there is the water is sprayed. Okay. Sprinkler irrigation is a method of applying irrigation water which is smaller to the or which is applied water which is similar to the particular natural rainfall. Water is distributed through a system of pipe, usually through a system of pipe. Here there is the system of pipe, usually by the pumping. Here pumping of water takes place, then it is sprayed into the air through the sprinkler, and that is break up into small water drops which fall on the ground. Okay, the pumps supply system, sprinklers and operating condition must be designed to enable a uniform application of water. Okay, so this is for the particular just like the natural rainfall. Then last instrument or tools, what is that? There is the particular secator. Okay, this particular secator having the sharp edges for cutting purpose, and here there is the again comfortable handle is there, and this is a lock and unlock movement is by this particular key. So what is the use of this particular secator? Cutting the particular branches, then trimming the branches, then at the time of the training and pruning there is the use of this particular secator. In case of pruning, there is a pruning knife is used, but sometimes there is use of this particular secator. So cutting of the delicate branches of the plant. So there is the use of many times in the particular garden. So it is compulsory tool or implement in the garden. Okay, so these are about the different tools and implement that are required in the garden. Okay, thank you.